Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to check the Python installed version inside the terminal. So the command is simple. You simply write python dash dash version. This will exactly tell you the version which is installed on your system, which is 3.10.5. So if you're wondering where it is located inside your system, so there is this command here which you can say where python. So this will exactly tell you where it is installed, all these executables. So this is the overall location right here, you'll see. So here you can simply copy this location, Control C, and simply go to the file explorer and paste this address. So this will exactly tell you the location right here. So it is located in the app data folder, then local programs, Python, and this is all the Python installations which are there on my computer. You will see Python 3.10, 3.12, 3.13. So this is your Python executable right here. So you can have multiple executables of Python running on a single computer. You can see we are running different versions of Python. So if you still haven't installed Python, it's very easy. You simply say Python download and go to their official website and download the latest version. So just select the version number and then click the download button. And for Windows it is simply a exe file which will download, and for different operating system you can simply download them. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.